friends, today we are going to learn lesson number 15, our body.
Can you tell? Point out the body parts named below: forehead, cheek, nose, ear, tummy, chest, arm, wrist, palm, thigh, knee, foot. Structure of the body: the head, torso, arms, and legs are the main part of the body. The head, arm, and legs are joined to the torso. Head: the head is covered with hair. Below the forehead, there are two eyes with eyebrows and eyelashes. On the sides, there are ears. In front is the nose. Below the nose is the mouth, and below that, the chin. The part that joins the head to the torso is the neck. This means that the part which is joining from the head to the torso is called the neck. So now let's see what is the torso. The chest, abdomen, and back together make up the torso. The part where the arm is joined to the torso is called the shoulder. The leg is joined to the torso at the hip joint. There are three parts of the arm that are known as upper arm, forearm, and hand. The fingers are part of the hand. The upper arm and forearm are joined at the elbow. The forearm and hand are joined at the wrist. The leg too has three parts: thigh, shank, and foot. Toes are part of the foot. The thigh and shank are joined at the knee. The shank and foot are joined at the ankle. So these were the parts of the leg.
New terms. Organ, a part of the body that is used for a particular purpose. We use our legs for walking, so legs are our organs. We use our ears for hearing, so ears are also our organs. External organs, organs that are on the outside of the body. Legs, arms, ears, and nose are our organs. They are on the outside of the body. Hence, they are known as external organs.
The neck. The neck bends forward as well as backward. It turns left or right. Arms. We can bend our arms at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. The finger of our hands can bend too. That is why we can make a fist. We can do many things with our hands. We use our hands to write and to pick up things. Mother shapes a laddu with her hands. Baby holds the rattle in her hand. The waist. We can bend our torso only at the waist. That makes it easier for us to do many things. We can pick up things from the floor, tie our shoelace, and play games. Legs. Our legs can bend at the hip joint, the knees, and the ankles. Our toes too can bend, but not too much as our fingers. We use our legs for several purposes. We use our legs to stand. We walk and run. We climb up and down stairs. We hop and jump. We work some machines too using our legs. There are countless people in the world, but all of them have same body parts. Even so, no two persons are exactly alike. That is because each one has a different figure and form. There are differences in height and weight, hairline, and the features of the face. In the whole world, you look like yourself. Do you know? Sometimes twin brothers or sisters look exactly alike, but even between them there are small differences.
What we have learned. Head, torso, legs, and arms are the main parts of our body. Chest, abdomen, and back together make up the torso. The head, legs, and arms are joined to the torso. The part of the body that joins the head and the torso is the neck. The arms are joined to the torso at the shoulders, and the legs at the hip joint. Our body parts can bend at certain places. That makes it possible for us to make different movements. Our body makes various movements with the help of the neck, arms, legs, and waist. Always remember, our body helps us to do all the tasks, so we must take care of our body. Friends, if you like this video, like, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Bye.